Hi everyone, this is the answers to PSLE Booklet 2. We are looking at short answer questions for exercise 3. For today, we are looking at question 5, page 7. Right, this is one of the very common fraction questions. The concept goes back to what we already know about groups, each, and total. So here the story is about we have a whole set of rice and the mass is 6 kilograms at first. So this is the all of the rice, and then from this sack, okay, there's this whole sack of rice of 6 kilograms. From this sack, Mrs. Maha filled containers with 4 9 kilograms each. So meaning you take out each, she takes out containers. Each container is 4 9 kilogram of rice if it's filled to complete, and she tried to fill as many containers as possible. Then there's some left over in the sack here. So you have containers being the number of groups. Okay, so how many containers can she fill? Full containers up to the brim, and with that's left over, uh, how much rice is that left over? So group, this is group and this is each. Okay, so we have group, each, and total. Group meaning the containers, each being in each of the container, how much rice can it hold, and the total is 6 kilogram. So to find, we use division, which is 6 divided by 4 9. So you think about this equation, you're talking about total divided by each. That will give you the groups. That means number of containers. Number of containers. So this blank here, this answer here should be number of containers, which is full at 4 9 kilograms of rice each. So using the KCF, keep, change, flip, keep 6, change, divide to times, flip 4 9 become 9 over 4, 4 over 9 become 9 over 4, and simplify. And then you get here 27 divided by 27 over 2, which I can say it will be equals to 13 and a half, right? 26. 13 times 2, 26. 13 and a half. So this fraction, this mixed number here is telling me that I have 13 full containers, 13 containers, and the half actually means half of a container. So the 6 kilograms of rice enables Mrs. Maha to fill up to 13 full container. Then where the very last container, it only gets filled halfway. So if one full container is 4 9 kilogram, the leftover rice will be that half of the container times its full capacity, that's 4 9 kilogram. I can simplify this and then I get 2 9 kilograms. So for this question, the answer is as such 2 9 kilograms. Now this is a typical question. Why? Because previously, the previous examples we have seen is we have a whole piece of ribbon, we cut the ribbons to make bows, and how many ribbon left over. And these each can be fraction amounts, usually in measurement. It can be I have a whole jug of juice and liquid, pour into standard cups of a fraction milliliters or liters, and after that I have some left over. And what is that leftover amount? Now it says these ideas are goes back to the concept of I'm filling groups, and then how much part of that group, that single group that I have managed the n, which is also a fraction, and I put that concept in together. So that's where that fraction times fraction appears. Okay. Now once you get the identify the concept and similarity in these questions, you can use the same method for many similar ones. Alright, so this is question 5, exercise 3, page 7 of PSLE booklet 2.